and welcome back to Ness and Andy's Travels.
We were going to go do a face-to-face intro, but Andy, trying to get across to be in view of the camera, has pulled a muscle. So you might hear him wince every now and then.
Yeah, when I'm trying to look left to see if there's any traffic.
Yeah, I thought so. That's why I tried to look.
Look at that beautiful view on our left.
That's gorgeous.
Just about pick it up on the camera.
Yeah. Got some lovely views here. We've not long come into Wales from Herefordshire. We're on the A483 heading towards Rhyadr.
Into some beautiful countryside now.
He's been having a play.
Yes, he's been off-roading, having a play. And his mate here,
Yeah.
one on a trailer. Oh, look at that mountain.
Yeah, gorgeous. Yeah, hopefully Andy's side will recover. He's just taken a couple of painkillers, so hopefully it'll ease.
Yeah.
But we all know what a pulled muscle feels like.
That's it.
Just overstretched.
Overstretched to try and get in the camera shot, and I just felt it go. Sure, it won't be much. It'll ease.
We've all been there.
Yeah.
It's usually me.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Right, we'll carry on our trip on the A44, and I've never actually driven on this part of the A44. So, somewhere new for us, somewhere different.
We don't know what to expect, but there's certainly some lovely views so far.
Yes, absolutely.
Mr. Farmer.
Yeah, just made a mess of my window. Thank you very much. Or is it raining?
No, that's rain, I think.
Oh, it's raining. Thought you'd sprayed me.
Well, it might not be. I don't know.
No, I think it could
Can't
be.
tell here.
No, could be a few raindrops. Keep falling on my window.
Oh dear. Oh,
International Airport.
Llandegli.
Yeah.
Llandegli Airport.
Can't be a very big airport.
No, I shouldn't have thought so. International though.
Yeah.
Light aircraft, I would imagine.
Yes, small down.
Private jets, maybe.
More than likely.
Strange area to come into though.
There we go. To 15 and then possibly.
We're all right.
Oh, we're all right.
We're on 50.
We're on 40 actually. I slowed down just in case it was 20. But it's not.
Or even going into the village there, it was 30.
Yeah. Oh,
Here comes the
go.
rain.
What did we say? The last video. You avoided the rain.
Spoke too soon.
Yeah.
It's probably only a shower.
Yeah.
We hope.
We do, yes.
Can but hope.
road going to Wales. Cattle grid.
We're the cattle grid.
Yeah. Common land on our right hand side, everything.
Yeah. Keep an eye out for sheep.
There they are. Not on the road, thankfully.
No.
Look at that to our right.
Oh wow. Oh, you can't pick it up on the. Oh,
Yeah.
there's a rainbow, a beautiful rainbow. That's magnificent. That's
Yeah.
That's a real wide one, isn't it?
It is.
Oh.
Super duper rainbow. Penybont.
Penybont. And your dash is still saying it's 60 here.
Yes.
I don't think so.
My dash, yeah. 60 and a 30, yeah. I don't think so. Little pod in the garden there.
Mm.
Well, that lovely blue sky has disappeared on us for the moment.
Yeah. Ho ho. I suddenly feel depressed.
Yeah, it was looking beautiful. It's gone all murky.
And miserly.
Yeah. Coming up to our next junction in about a mile.
We're going to turn onto the 483, the A483.
Towards Newtown.
That's where my babies came from.
It is, yes. Yeah.
My fur babies. Not babies anymore.
No. No,
Although
they're
they do act like it.
They're OAPs now. Been doggy years anyway.
Yeah, they're still younger than me.
Yeah. Coming up to our turning. Diesel down here, 149.7.
Ooh.
Not too bad. I paid 146.9, I think, this morning. Now we're going to go right just here. Now this is a road I have driven on before, towards Newtown. Not lately.
New housing estates.
Yeah.
Springing up everywhere.
37 miles to Washburn, which is where our destination is. Then back to Shrewsbury. So just over something like that, depending on traffic and the roads.
That was the village of Fron. Well, I think we can stop here. It's a bit of a boring A road, the A483 at the moment.
At the moment, but there are some views to come.
Well, we'll stop this one and maybe start another one afterwards.
Yeah, once we get some nice countryside.
Yeah. So if you like what you see, please click the like.
And subscribe, and if you fancy buying us a coffee, go to our About page. Doesn't cost you a lot, but it helps with our making our videos. Goes towards a bit of fuel. You don't have to pay a lot. One coffee.
Yeah, one coffee's about £3, isn't it?
Yep, £3 for a coffee. Very, very welcome. You don't have to, but nice gesture.
Just show a little bit of appreciation.
Yeah.
And don't forget to comment. We like to hear your comments, good or bad.
Yep.
We like to know if we're doing things right. We're not saying we're going to change them, but we like to know.
No. We're not going to change what we do, but comments are welcome, but we just carry on regardless.
Anyway, we'll see you again soon.
Bye for now.
Bye.